Cool. Look what I got. I think that's for all of you.
Can you open?
Well, look, you gotta look through everything that you got.
Look.
What is that?
Lipstick.
Lots of
Look, Mommy.
lipstick.
An airplane?
And a bathing suit.
That is so pretty, Riley. Look, Lila Kay got a bathing suit too.
And I got a chocolate
Riley, look.
bunny. And I got a chocolate bunny. Look, Mama. What is this thing?
Let me see. Oh, cool. You can find bugs and look at it like this.
Colin's got an airplane too.
Yeah.
Lila.
Ooh, you got a big old Spider-Man egg. Those are your favorite, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
You think you should be able to eat one right now?
Yes. Mommy, what's this?
Happy Easter.
That, you can grow your own flowers. Happy Easter, guys.
Look at mine.
You got basketball egg. And how about you?
I
Clean up the
want
paper?
mine.
Wow.